Just like everyone, mountain are calling, we must go. With this note, I'm going to start my vlog here. देखो ना guys. So we are having breakfast here. We have big group. And this is Loader Afzal. He's having pranta. Look at his face today. He's very sad. Pranta Shimbude. Pranta Shimbude. How is pranta? Ma'am, ni pranta Sudesha. Dila Gela do. Chasudo Dila. Okay. Gela is making tea. Wow. Gela, thank you. Dila harda. Ya dila ya minda dinanda. So this time I'm going to travel with my student and my colleagues, and we are a group of around 50 people, and right now we are heading toward Tomarangjung. It means self-rising Thara, and you would say also like self-originated, self-arising. So yes, so we are heading toward Tomarangjung, and these are the views on the way. So we started this journey from my monastery, and it was early morning when we left, around 5 a.m. and now we reach near the Atal tunnel, and from Manali to Sisu, I mean Tomarangjung, it has 39 kilometers, and usually it takes around 1 hour and 20 minutes, but it depends on the traffic. So as you can see today, there is not really much traffic because we left very early, and here this is the Atal tunnel. So do you know about this Atal tunnel? It took 10 years to complete this tunnel, because earlier it was started in 1990 and it complete in 2020. So it has 9 kilometers, and if you drive in 60 speed, so it takes around 8 minutes. And this tunnel connects to the Manali region to the Lahore Spiti, Himachal Pradesh. So yeah, this is the Lahore Spiti. So we are very near to Tomarangjung. So this is the stunning Sisu waterfall, a tall waterfall on the far side of Chanda River. Locally we call it Paldela Mathar, and it's so beautiful from far. Even if you go there, it will take around 20 minutes by walk. So finally we reach at Tomarangjung. So this is the place. So this is Tomarangjung. Inside this temple has Tomarangjung. Tomarangjung means green Tara. So this is the Tomarangjung temple from inside, and here I am preparing sang offering. It means smoke offering. Smoke offering is an ancient ritual practice So if I talk about little bit about sang offering, so the primary benefit of sang offering are like it purify our negative karma and also accumulate merit and wisdom, and this also repay our karmic debt and clears life obstacles. So not only this, there are many benefits if we learn. So yes, here I'm doing sang offering, and it's so blessing. We did here sang offering today. Yeah, yeah. So here you can see these are the wildflower, and according to study in Laos, Spiti has hundred of wildflower and herb which can use in medicine. Wow, wildflower. Be like a mountain, aim to touch the sky, but stay rooted to the ground. So with this note, I'm going to stop my vlog here. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. And after this, now we are going to head toward Zanskar, Ladakh. So see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.